Digital marketing refers to the practice of promoting products, services, or brands using digital channels and technologies. It encompasses various online marketing strategies and tactics aimed at reaching and engaging a target audience through digital mediums such as websites, search engines, social media, email, mobile apps, and more. Digital marketing leverages the internet and electronic devices to deliver targeted messages, drive customer acquisition and retention, and generate measurable results. It offers businesses a wide range of tools and techniques to connect with potential customers in a cost-effective and highly targeted manner. Some key components and tactics commonly used in digital marketing include search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing websites and content to improve their visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, thereby driving organic, unpaid traffic. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, placing ads on search engines or other websites and paying only when a user clicks on the ad. Common platforms for PPC advertising include Google Ads and Bing Ads. Social media marketing, utilizing social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others to build brand awareness, engage with customers, and drive traffic to websites. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content, such as articles, blog posts, videos, infographics, to attract and engage a target audience, with the ultimate goal of driving profitable customer action. Email marketing, sending targeted promotional emails or newsletters to subscribers with the aim of nurturing customer relationships, driving sales, or increasing brand loyalty. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influential individuals on social media to promote products or services and reach their large and engaged audience. Affiliate marketing, partnering with affiliates who earn a commission for promoting and driving sales for your products or services. Mobile marketing, targeting users on mobile devices through tactics like mobile ads, in-app advertising, or SMS marketing. Analytics and data-driven marketing, collecting and analyzing data from various digital marketing channels to gain insights, measure campaign effectiveness, and optimize strategies. The field of digital marketing is constantly evolving, with new technologies, platforms, and strategies emerging regularly. Businesses leverage digital marketing to expand their reach, increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, and ultimately boost sales and revenue in the digital landscape.